Code is fast becoming the medium of design, and the designers that can work with this medium will be able to ship products faster because they're no longer reliant on engineers. They will be able to realize increasingly more ambitious designs, and they can potentially build a more resilient, future-proof career. In this workshop, I'm going to show you the exact tools, prompts, and AI models you can use to create these gorgeous apps and websites that you're seeing on screen right now. And these aren't just static designs that live inside Figma. This is real functioning code that you will write using AI-assisted coding. Together, we'll turn the ideas from your unique designer mind into well-structured prompts that you can use to feed into the large language models to create these gorgeous designs. And we'll cover the tools, the techniques, and the workflows to get the most out of this very exciting technology. This workshop turns designers into builders, which not only increases the production capability of the design team, but levels up the creative output of the entire organization overall, because engineering is no longer the bottleneck, and the time taken to go from idea to execution to tangible results is going to be shrunk down to minutes. By the way, my name is Mark, and I'm your workshop instructor. I previously worked in the video games industry for over 6 years at companies like Zynga and Mediatonic. I then joined Microsoft as a senior software engineer, where I worked there for nearly 7 years on cutting-edge technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, and AI. I now, in the current chapter of my career, am a teacher to creatives and designers and engineers like you. And I'm so excited to bring my previous experience from big tech and from video games into helping you level up as better creatives and to produce better creative outputs. So thanks for stopping by and checking out the details of this workshop. I really hope we get the opportunity to learn from each other, and I'm looking forward to meeting you. Cheers.